Hi everybody, I'm Rodney Elmer. I've been doing taxidermy for almost 40 years, and every time somebody comes in the shop to bring me a mount, it's always about the same. I usually go over how they got the deer, which way they wanted to see the deer, and then where it was going to sit inside the room for them to display it. Most of the time, of course, you want your deer facing into the room, and whenever you display your deer, you're hoping to show off like his best sides and his best attributes. His attitude, and whether his ears are forward or back, if he's relaxed or he's alert, if he's sneaking with his head down. All those things are stuff that we work on with every single person who comes in, trying to determine where it's going to sit in the room and how best it would look among not only the room and the people entering it, but also too, how it would fit with all of their other mounts. Now, of course, over time, when you made the decision and you put it in that place in your room, it kind of only really ever fitted there. If you got more mounts, if you moved, if you had to switch the room out to something else, now whatever you designed to fit doesn't work anymore. Or if you ended up having more and more mounts over time, getting them all to work together can sometimes be an issue. Now, of course, once you've made all those decisions, now you're kind of stuck with what you've got until now. Introducing the Taxidermy Swivel Bracket. This is some kind of handy. It has some set screws. You can hook it to the wall, get into a stud and set it wherever it seems to work. You can adjust where it screws onto the back of the deer as well, so that you can change your mount up. Look what this will do to an ordinary mount and allow you to move it around, change it up. It almost looks like a pedestal mount. You can display it, move it, clean it, get it out of the way, bring it out, change how it looks inside the room itself. That is a game changer.
It's a game changer.
That swivel on the back is just the nicest of things. And it'll go right around. It'll go on the inside of a corner and the outside of a corner as well. You could use your corner space up and down, stack them into corners, fit them with other deer coming in the sides of the corner, get the look of the rack and how you want it to face and where it will look the best, and even arrange it in spots where it's kind of tight, where you don't have a stud to hold it on the wall. It'll offset and hold on to it. It is really just, that bracket is some kind of handy, and it can really make the deer stand out from the wall, and that makes them look really sharp too. I am just in love with this thing now. It's really a good rig. Turkeys, anything, waterfowl or something, where you can change that up and swivel it all over the place, make where he looks and how he looks, display the way the rack looks, any sides of it. If it happened to be damaged on one side, you could use the swivel to help hide the damage on it. It's really just a game changer when it comes to how you display your taxidermy. If the mount comes out away from the wall, it makes it like so much more lifelike and really sharp. Makes it easier to clean. Just a wonderful kind of setup. I like it. Just amazing what you can do with it. And it'll make an older mount look new. It gives it a whole new look. This thing can take a beating. It's not going to come off the wall. I really like the stability of it. The traditional type, if you come up underneath them, there's a lot more chances of getting loose. And of course that hanger is kind of like an industry standard and balanced. And you have to always do that to it a little bit to get it to sit where you want, level the eyes and get it on there. I really like this thing here for the stability and for the flexibility of being able to slide it around and move it. We've tightened up the whole works, and that's about it right there. Another good feature is having it out away from the wall and allowing circulation in and around and behind it, especially on exterior walls, where if the insulation isn't real good and the mount is right up against the wall, you can get some moisture buildup sometimes on the back side of the mount from the air differences. And of course this is tremendous insulation on this side, and if there's none on the other side, it can create that little pocket of cooler air in the back and end up making a little bit of moisture on it. So having circulation all the way around the mount is really nice. If there's a chance for moisture to build up on the back side of the mount, of course, because it was once alive, it's leather, it could mold on you. And also too, because the moisture buildup is in the back, you can get all kinds of moths sometimes chewing on the hair.
Moths? Moths?
if they happen to be around. One of the best features about this is that the traditional shoulder mount and its hanger system would never work in a corner, but with this, it will. It can set against one side. It can be moved out to utilize the corner space well with other mounts, and it can even turn almost to both sides with a little bit of adjustment of where you hook it to the wall and where you hook it to the back of the mount. You can adjust it to make it do almost anything and now use your corner space a lot more productively, and it still looks wonderful. It's just an awesome rig. And of course, any mount can go anywhere. You can change it up at any time. It'll look great everywhere. It's way easier to clean, and just plain adds to an old mount. It makes it look so much newer. It'll stand out and look a lot better, and we won't be without them. And like you talk about a great gift idea for somebody who's got a mount. Wouldn't that be great for your dad or something like that? It'd just be awesome to change up his biggest, nicest deer. And too, if you have that one magic spot in your house where everything likes to go, you can make almost any mount fit in that spot where it wouldn't have fit before. If you guys are interested in checking out these brackets, go to mountaindeer.com. And if you're interested in checking out this hunt that I went on this buck here, check out our YouTube channel as well. Thanks for liking and subscribing, and with any luck, we'll have more hunting and fishing and definitely some more taxidermy coming your way. Take care, everybody. Bye.